Hi, this is Murtaza. I'm from Hyderabad. I have completed my graduation from the University of Manchester. I'm also a passionate photographer and filmmaker. And hence I wanted to come and try out my hand at something else. I've been flying a drone for the past 6 years now, and after I read about the rules that have not been so concrete in India, and it's because of that I wanted to learn more about this particular field, because I use a drone a lot in my cinematography and photography. So I wanted to actually come out here and know the rules and the regulations and what kind of a certificate that we would get from this course. So I went on to Google and I checked out drone academies close to me, and one of the most legit people I found was the Telangana State Aviation Academy, the drone academy that I wanted to go to, and it was close to my house. It was at the old airport Begumpet, close by in the vicinity. So I reached out to them. Their staff was extremely polite. They wanted to come out and give us great service. They constantly kept in touch. They made a WhatsApp group with all the participants. I immediately signed up. They gave us a nice bit of a curriculum in terms of what are going to be taught in 5 days time. So there were 2 days of theory, 1 day of simulations where you practice your drone simulations on a laptop, on a computer, and then 2 days of flying. As you can see at the back, we are at our training sessions. And once I obviously joined into the academy, firstly I would like to say that the instructors are phenomenal. They're really good. Then they have incredible knowledge about this particular area where a lot of people don't know what the laws are and what the regulations are. So I learned a lot in these 2 days. They taught us a lot about technical stuff. There was a very high emphasis on the drone rules, because I think that is one aspect that the Civil Aviation Ministry also wants us to know. And then the simulations, where there were about 17 to 18 exercises that we had to do in the simulation, and then about 5 hours of flight time on our drone. And today I can proudly say that I'm graduated from the Drone Academy, and I'm a certified DGCA pilot. And I would also definitely recommend the Drone Academy to everybody who wants to know more about the space, who wants to be it anything, be it cinematography, if you're a scientist, if you're a miner, if you're a mapper. Okay, this is the place for you. And how this particular certificate is going to come in use for me is that I'm going to be able to take my filmmaking to the next level. I can probably operate drones that are heavier, better, with better cameras. So I think this will be a great boost to my career, and I'm so glad to be a part of the Drone Academy, and I wish everybody can get to learn from them.